How to calculate total interest paid on a loan in Excel. Excel is frequently used for calculations because of the large number of functions and mathematical operators it has. In Excel, we can calculate the total interest paid on the loan using a function provided by Excel. There are two ways of doing this. One is to use the function, and second is to use the basic formula, which is the total amount paid minus the principal, which will give you the total interest paid on the loan. So let's look at the first option, which is using the cumulative PMT function. I have here the basic elements of the loan, which is the amount, interest rate, etc. I'm going to derive the other inputs for the function using the normal mathematical operators. So for this function, I need the monthly interest because the payment frequency is monthly. So for that, it's just basically dividing the total interest rate by 12. Press enter. Now, total number of payments would be the period of the loan. This equals 10 into 12 because I'm doing monthly payments, and say 12. For the cumulative PMT function, this is all the data I need, so I can go ahead and create the function. For that, I say cumulative PMT. This asks for the rate, which I've already derived, the number of payments, then the principal value of the loan. Now the start period, so that would be the first period because I want to compute for the entire loan period of the loan, and the end period of course would be 120 because this would be the last payment. And for type, I'm going to say 0 because I'm paying at the end of the period, and press enter. Now this shows a negative number. If I would prefer it to be displayed as a positive number, I can go to the formula bar and insert a minus sign at the beginning of the function, and I get this number displayed as a positive number. So this is one way of doing it. Let's look at the second way, which is to use the PMT function and the formula. So now, as I said earlier, the formula is the total amount paid minus the principal amount. To get the total amount paid, I need to multiply the monthly payments by the total number of payments. So to get the monthly payments, I will use the PMT function. This gives me the monthly payment amount. So this again is the rate, and then I need the number of payments and the principal value. So this gives me the total monthly payments. Now I need to multiply this by the total number of payments. So to get the total amount paid into total number of payments, and press enter. So this is how much I'm going to end up paying totally. From this, I need to subtract the loan amount to get the interest amount alone. Again, to convert this into a positive number, I'm just going to add a minus sign at the beginning and say enter. Now to get the total interest, all I need to do is subtract the loan amount from the total amount paid. So I'll select the total amount paid minus the loan amount and press enter. And here I get the total interest paid on the loan. So this is two ways to calculate the total interest paid on a loan that you can do in Excel. Please read the appended article for more information.